That was dirty. As we're cleaning, we've been finding some interesting things, and something that we just found yesterday are these tags, these DOCG tags, and you can tell that they're old because it's not a sticker. So before you could just add some glue and stick it directly onto the bottle, but today they come with actual stickers, so you can't easily make contraband DOCG wine. So these are not ours, so we're gonna get rid of these, but it's pretty interesting. I'm gonna work on getting a good amount of the bathroom cleaned today. It's really just cleaning, but there is a lot of cleaning to be done. Cleaning, organizing, sorting through things, all doable things. But I want to get it done so we can start hosting some events and doing some fun things. So let's go keep cleaning the bathroom. Special shout out to Queen's University. It's dirty, but everything is cleaning really well. So it's good. It's good. This is good cleaning. Shower's pretty clean. And by pretty clean, I mean it's clean. We are in good shape. I think I just need to get like a little something that can get in those corners, but other than that, shower's pretty much done. That was dirty. We still have to clean the floor in the bathroom, but the rest of it I can officially say is clean. I don't think I've ever cleaned a bathroom the way I cleaned this bathroom. I scrubbed it. We could literally do wine tastings in here because it's so clean, but we're not gonna do that. We have to organize this wine here, but I wanted to show you something. This bottle is from 1996, which is amazing. I would love to crack it open, have a taste. That's pretty cool. It's 29 years. Wow. And the Chianti Classico doesn't have a rooster. It just says Chianti Classico with DOCG, but even the DOCG is different. This is vintage. Let's find a home for all of this wine. We found these boxes, so I'm just gonna pack it up nicely in these boxes to make sure, if I can close it, nothing happens to it. Okay, let's start. I feel like it would be cool to keep some bottles here, so maybe we can keep one of every year. Yeah. I think that would be cool. Perfect.